mother phone na akwaba eba attention TV. Crowe de said e be mu badu de sesi ade. Awofo nyina e wo se ye hia eye fasting padidi e mana omo secondary school na sesi ade wo ne de em se etwa akosi eye secondary school. Orari school bia anase senior high school bia wa akra ha wo hwemu pa omampani ekufuado ho na oje ne ntete wona tese school no so pa anka sesi ade anka gidin pa atwe nchembi akoso ewo school ma anodin ni nyina ne se eye nkwala mienu bia wo mu ehuru omo ho ya na se teasing ai we se me papa ene wo sika we se wo boa me papa wo me best ko hu me chobos ni ma me wo papa yesika ni na woni me ka me papa kita ese huro bisa no ebi entimi huro we ma eye bakwa ye frɛ na ne bufu ye papa pa oye na adwen se obedi the other boy no ewu we ti omo hu se huro ne koso na ebufu ba no na yese baako edwane ekogina ye teacher ni achi empon because teacher ni de wo ya de na kogina teacher ni first no. We will respect teachers a lot. Inti sa we ya de teacher tia okra aya na mpempini ye teacher fonti abemu ye na dwen so ko teacher tie de na che ne awone ne ye no obetwa bibia so da bi okogya teacher na chi a teacher fo no so mu nim ne ekoso e no no so effect teacher fo na chi e di apaso ekowo eye ne partner no anase ne mate no wode kowo ne yam anso wa teacher fo no emfi na che school fo na ene pepe ka yempe taxi yempe se yempe ni sei teacher for ACCRA teacher for de den yanko obi kita ka obetimi abo ne ho modern aye fast de akole ewra hospital na ka gina REILLY e bia na ne nkwa emfini so mo anye sa mo delay time ma nkwala na nkasa enwu se ne ekoso moja eba na no odi no wo man nkasa pe taxi de ne du hospital sabre ye school ni abemu a owo ne fa na ye otro accident den no wa hwere ne nkwa ewo ACCRA ha sei edi ayifo adansefo anase eyewitness for mukopi mu ewo school no yenti omo kakra emra.
So good morning Patricia.
Okay, first of all ebema mu nyina yakọ ene shedin se de asi no eya na me pacho ma mi bisa se abofrey odi eno no.
Okay Pacho no mo frey essay ya kwala no ultra exams enti ni schoolmate no ba kwa woni sikai and ye ko hospital ti ye ko hospital no we enti ye ko shia no ni papa ba no ni papa na gina me tia no ona ye me senior brother
okay
enti ye ko hospital no we wu amu de no come more enti na ye ko
follow up. They did not even take the boy. No teacher. The boy lost his life at the school present. They leave the boy for the how do you call it, to the student to take the injured person to the hospital. The teachers were just sitting there, idle, doing nothing, showing unconcern. They didn't show any. They said there is no car. Once they packed all their cars at the school premises, none of them make any effort to save the boy. So that is what happened yesterday.
Okay, so what exactly caused the fight?
What caused the fight was like they said the boy. I think this school, SS children and their small problem, argument and stuff.
Okay.
So when the boy came out, the boy brought out the CD. My boy was able to run to go to the teacher, and then the boy followed up to meet up with him there and stab him right in front of the teacher.
Okay. Right in front of the teacher, so they did nothing about it.
They did nothing about it. They did not even make attempt of taking the movie. Fine, they stabbed the boy. Fine. The teachers even rush him to the nearby hospital so that to save him, but they did not. The boy lie down, breathed till he lost his life, and one of the students picked him up to Lekma hospital. Before the boy was able to beg for a taxi, before they get to the hospital, the boy was already gone.
Okay. Have any of the school authorities reached out to you after this sad incident happened?
No call from the headmaster, whatever. No school, nobody has called us from yesterday up to this morning.
Nobody has. Okay. So
no one. The school has not shown any concern.
Okay. Have the family made any attempt to visit the school authorities to let them know what's happening?
No.
How old is your son?
My son is 18 years.
18 years old.
Yes, madam.
Final year student.
Final year student.
Okay, looking at what caused the fight, let's come back to your son. Is he someone who is violent, who like those things, or he's just that calm type, just unfortunate this thing happened to him?
I was shocked when I was even called.
Okay.
Because one of my sister daughter is also attending same school with my son.
Okay.
So she even called me, that uncle, some people are fighting, some boy is fighting Edward. So please,
Okay.
wherever you are, rush and come. So a few minutes, he called me that the boy have stabbed Edward and they are rushing him to the hospital. So quickly, I rushed to the hospital. When I got there, the doctor told me the boy is dead.
Asɛm ɛyɛ awerɛho yie papa sesi adeɛ ebusuafo ensoro gudjam sɛ suku ɔmampani agufo ado akobia saa asɛm wi esi wɔ mu de wɔn sɛ ɔmampani sɛ sesi a wɔn nɔte so wɔn yɛ bibi kakra enso ebusuafo na se ana sɛ ne ɔbɛyɛ afa ho asa ne ma wi ebe tubetwa o secondary school ebusuafo esu ɛde adesra tomani ekua ntwa na mbɛso ndɛ wi makra